everyone. Thank you for joining webinar. Hi, this is Vikash Kandoi. So we'll be discussing about how to pick quality stocks using fastest stock selection tool. So we have right now 56 people with us. Thank you for joining, sir. Am I audible? Am I audible, friends? If you can write yes on chat. Thank you. Thank you for confirming. So let me know who all are new to this group right now. We have 63 people. Who all are attending for the first time? If you can write first. If you can write first on chat. Yeah. So let me see how many people are new. Okay, I am first. Okay, many people are new to this group. Great. Okay. Okay, great. So friends, we have many new people. So why we ask whether we have new people in the group or not, because let's understand how you guys think about stock market. So do you find it difficult to select quality stocks? How many of you, we have 67 people, let me check how many of you find it difficult for selecting quality stocks? कि क्वालिटी स्टॉक्स खोजने में कंफ्यूजन होती है. आपको स्टॉक मार्केट में सबसे इंपॉर्टेंट रिक्वायरमेंट क्या है? व्हाट इज द मोस्ट इंपॉर्टेंट रिक्वायरमेंट ऑफ अ स्टॉक मार्केट एज अ इन्वेस्टर? It's selecting a quality stocks. It's selecting a stock, in fact. Fundamentals, yeah. Value buy point, okay, to pick the stocks. What else? So have you found out any way? Okay, safety. So we have lots of answer from that query. So technical chart, okay, but no, why do we do all these things? To find quality stocks, isn't it? Selection of quality stock and secure stocks, growth with consistent profit margin, yes, sure. So how do you, whether you have studied, whether you have made research on your own, how can you overcome this? How can you select quality stocks from your own? Anybody using any fundamental parameter for selecting quality stocks that we can discuss? Those who are new, okay, Sirajji using fundamental screener, okay. What you look in fundamental screener? What are those parameters that you look in fundamental screener? Okay, Devendra ji only trade in Nifty 50. Sirajji is looking at debt equity ratio, EPS and sales growth, okay, thank you. Free cash flow, Kedar ji. Those who have joined us before, please, if you don't write, that will be great help, because let's new people learn what mistake they are making and what they can improve with. Okay, Lokesh ji is looking at P ratio. Thank you. Anybody else? Debt free, market leader, sales track. Okay. So if we have if we summarize all those, balance sheet is a very big answer. So we need to summarize what in balance sheet. What do you see in balance sheet? Past performance, or here say, okay, recommendation, operating profit margin. Anything else, friend? Profit growth, okay, okay. So we have lots of answer from everyone. EBITDA. So friends, correct me if I'm wrong. If we can summarize these four things, if we can summarize whole thing which you guys have written, which I have said while I was getting those answers, I repeated that answer to you if you have heard. So somebody has written reserves, somebody has written visionary management, EBITDA, operating profit margin, sales growth, profit growth, free cash flow, One point everybody has missed. Let me have that one parameter, or should I show you a video? Okay, Kedarji has written that. Maybe he has joined us before. One point is missing in everyone's understanding. Do you know, friends, on which parameter market goes up? Which is the strongest parameter of fundamental investment? Which one parameter can give you a huge return? News. No, wrong. Okay, yeah. Jacob ji has got it right. It's return on equity. So friends, you'll be surprised. We've stopped showing videos nowadays for Warren Buffett and all. But there's a video of Warren Buffett where he say somebody from the group has asked him in a annual meet. One of the reporter has asked him that, or investor of Berkshire asked him that, sir, what pulls price of a stock? Can you imagine what was the answer of Mr. Buffett? Anybody can guess? ROE. He said three factors. He said three factors. He said three factors pulls stock price up. Warren Buffett said three factors take stock prices up. Anybody? No guesses. Okay, let me tell you that three volume, no, wrong. So let me tell you the three fundamental technical management. No, that was not correct. So let me tell you, he exactly mentioned what are the three factors. The first and foremost factor is return on equity. He clearly said in that webinar, in that video, we have that video with us, YouTube link, in which he said that ROE, return on equity of a stocks, a high ROE, he consider for his investment, he consider at least more than 20 to 25 return on equity. The return should be greater than 20 to 25. And the second point is what he mentioned was lower interest rate. And the third point was very easy, which he said the stock's own momentum. These were three factors on which the price of the stock rises. And these were the three factors on which the bull market continues. So if you invest in high return on equity, if you have lower interest rate scenario that we are having right now, 4% is the repo rate, and stocks own momentum. So with any stocks which has high ROE and is rising can grow further in future for this bull market. So these were his understanding. So what we have done, the momentum you can judge with the recent performance, price performance, 1 month, 3 months, 6 months. If the stock is continuously going up and has high ROE, you can continue. Example Dixon, example Abbott India, example Larsen Toubro Infotech. There are many examples. High ROE company which are going up, which are moving up. So this was his understanding. So moreover, what he did, he added in his annual report, he has written some more fundamental parameters, which is sales growth, profit growth, return on equity, and free cash flow, and about debt. So friends, you must have guessed, you must have got the understanding that there are 4 fundamental parameters, which is very important. We have 95 people. If you want to change your trading style, if you want to make profit in stock market, learn this 4 mantra of stock market. These are 4 important mantra of stock market. Friends, I'm going to tell you and share with you these 4 strong fundamental parameters, which is going to give you huge profit in your investment. You can experience this, you can join us and experience with us. So this 4 fundamental parameters has ultimate power to bring great return to investors. What are those fundamental parameters? So first parameter, which most of you has said, is sales growth. Company का top line, somebody has also written about top line. So yes, company का start है वो, शुभ आरंभ अगर शुभ आरंभ शुभ नहीं है, there is no point in investing in any stock. If sales is growing, company will grow. So first parameter is sales growth, annual and quarterly sales growth. Now the second point, profit growth. Okay, there should be, आपने आरंभ कर दिया, आपने पीएल में अंत क्या किया, whether you were happy while you ended, yeah, where you have something left with you after sales, after giving all the expenses, whether you were happy, whether you made something out of those sales, that matters. Now profit growth, are you growing in your profit or not? So two important parameters, sales growth and profit growth. Now I'm coming with third, free cash flow. Now what is free cash flow? Anybody in the group, or let me tell, free cash flow is, you made sales of 1000 crore, you made profit of 100 crores. Okay, now you bought machinery for 105 crore. What is your actual profit in your account? आपने 1000 करोड़ का सेल्स किया, 100 करोड़ का प्रॉफिट किया और 105 करोड़ का मशीनरी खरीद लिया, आपके हाथ में कुछ पैसे बचे क्या कि नेगेटिव हो गया? Anybody? We have 94 people in the group. If you can write this simple mathematics, what is in your left in your hand? आपने मशीनरी खरीदा, बहुत अच्छी बात, बट आपके हाथ में क्या बचा? नेगेटिव. Sure. Anybody who want to a little bit counter, I don't know whether I will succeed with your counter queries or not, but do you agree, friends? So this is importance of free cash flow. Please don't go for the depreciation and all. We're just talking कि आपके हाथ में कितना बचा सर. आपके हाथ में you did not left with single money. So free cash flow is a judgment what is whether company has a habit of savings or not. कंपनी के हाथ में सेविंग्स करने का, और वो भी डेप्रिशिएटिंग एसेट में, मे बी कैपिटल एक्सपेंडिचर सर, बट यू आर इन्वेस्टिंग इन अ डेप्रिशिएटिंग एसेट. वो हो सकता है आपको प्रोडक्शन में हेल्प करेगा फ्यूचर में, बट एट प्रेजेंट आज में जीना है. अगर आज में जीना है तो व्हाट इज द सिनेरियो टुडे? अगर कल को प्रोडक्शन फेल हो जाता है, कोई डिमांड अगर नहीं बढ़ती है, जो आपने जो मशीनरी खरीदी है, तो अल्टीमेटली एवरीथिंग विल गो हेवाया. सो टुडे यू नीड टू सी. और क्या होती है, एक साल अगर कंपनी नेगेटिव फ्री कैश फ्लो में हो, देन इट्स ओके, बट कंपनी रिमेन नेगेटिव इन फ्री कैश फ्लो ईयर्स ऑन ईयर, 5 साल 6 साल से नेगेटिव है. ठीक है, सो वी नीड टू सी दोस कंपनीज जो फ्री कैश फ्लो नहीं बचाती है, दो डजंट हैव फ्री कैश फ्लो. नहीं बचाने का मतलब the habit, the behavior of the investor is not a saving habit. उनके पास सेविंग हैबिट है ही नहीं. they don't know how to save money. आपने पैसे कमाए, you made lakhs rupees a month as a salary and you spended 1,10,000 buying sofa, buying blah 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 thing, so you left nothing. So this is the power of free cash flow. Okay, so we discussed 3 parameters. So first is sales growth, second is profit growth, and third is free cash flow. Free cash flow positive, lower debt. So what we do, we take both. The company should have free cash flow, positive free cash flow, and should have lower debt to equity ratio. Okay, so with this we filter out those companies which does not have positive free cash flow and has debt. So जिनका debt mindset है, we remove them. And fourth one, the fourth one which is very important is return on equity. मैं investor हूँ, मैंने कंपनी का equity खरीदा है. What is that amount I am gaining? Free cash flow to the firm. So sir, those are, keep it simple. I'm talking about free cash flow simple. That is your so I'm talking about only for free cash flow. Those things will disturb other people. So we have that on our website, so you can check that. Okay, it's operating cash flow minus capex. Okay, yeah. So now next, so return on equity. Return on equity is as an investor, I need to know the amount which I have given to management, how they are performing on that. मैंने जो equity invest किया है, उस पे वो कैसा invest return create कर रहे हैं. So return on equity. So friends, 4 fundamental parameters we discussed: profit, sales growth, profit growth, free cash flow or debt to, and debt equity ratio, and fourth is return on equity. So India may be what we suggest, invest in companies which has return on equity more than 15. So sales growth, profit growth, free cash flow positive, and a return on equity greater than 15. So we have 101 people right now. If you can write on chat that these 4 fundamental parameters, if you can write on chat, that will help you to keep in mind that what you need to see while you are making investment. If you want to make profit in stock market, these are the strong fundamental parameters. If you guys can write on chat. If you guys can write on chat, then that would be a great understanding for you. Even I will understand that yes, the thing which I have spoken to you, you guys have understand. You don't need to write yes, you need to write 4 parameters of Avinash. Those 4 parameters. Profit growth, free cash flow, return on equity. Yeah. So you can take return on equity greater than 15. It's not required to take more 20 to 25. Return on equity greater than 15 will help you to make profit. Okay. Thank you, everyone. So this will help you while you will make your investment. So friends, these 4 fundamental parameters are very powerful for investors. Now let us see. So friends, with the help of you all, because हम लोगों ने आपसे ही ये parameters लिए, and then we have tested these parameters and found out some greatest tool. So ये parameters, nobody has asked me any query on what I have said कि ये 1 साल के लिए देखना है, 2 साल के लिए देखना है. Are you guys getting any query in your mind? कोई जिज्ञासा पैदा हो रही है माइंड में कि मुझे सेल्स ग्रोथ तो बताया आपने विकास जी, प्रॉफिट ग्रोथ भी बताया, फ्री कैश फ्लो भी बताया, रिटर्न इक्विटी बताया, लेकिन इसको मैं कितने साल के लिए देखूं? 1 साल के लिए देखने से इनफ है, 2 साल के लिए देखने से इनफ है, कि 5 साल के लिए देखने से इनफ है? सो या ओनली मेहुल जी हैज आस्क्ड, अदरवाइज अदर लोग तो लेस आंसर ही दे दे रहे हैं. ठीक है. सो ड्यूरेशन, या सो द ड्यूरेशन शुड बी 5 years. सो अगर आप 5 साल के लिए देखते हैं तो जनरली आपको कंपनी का एक ट्रेंड समझ में आ जाता है. ठीक है. 1 साल में कंपनी कोई सडनली ग्रोथ कर लेती है सेल्स में, या कंपनी कैन शो ग्रोथ इन प्रॉफिट्स, बट इन 5 years इट्स वेरी डिफिकल्ट टू क्रिएट दैट काइंड ऑफ ग्रोथ. ओके फ्रेंड्स, सो इज देयर एनी वे, अगर मैं कहूं, सो फ्रेंड्स व्हाट डू यू थिंक? 4 fundamental parameters, 5 years. 4 fundamental parameters in 5 years. How much time should one take to study one stock? Any answer? We have 100 people. 2 years. Oh my God. If you want to check out some 20, 30 stocks, 1 month, 1 week. Devendra ji is saying 10 minutes. I don't know how he's coming with. Okay, Praveen ji is saying 5 minutes. How will you, sir? Can you please explain? 1 minute with scanner. Okay. 1 hour for one stock from scanner. 4 quarter. Oh my God, I'm getting different kind of periods for studying the same process. Okay. Anybody else? Okay, great. Thank you. Saying no idea. 1 week, depending on short term or long term. There's nothing short or long term about it, Redmi 5G. It's only, yeah, no idea. Value stock screener, 5 minutes. Okay. Not my cup of tea. That was also a great answer. No idea. So, friends, uh, you will require only 1 minute, less than a 1 minute to identify that stock, whether they are growing in sales in last 5 years, in profit in last 5 years, positive free cash flow in last 5 years, return on equity get in 15 in last 5 years. So I have that one greatest tool with me. Basically, you all have that greatest tool in your hand. We can discuss, we are going to discuss about it. And you can identify those great stocks with no time. With no time. Would you like to see that tool? How many people would? So only 1, 2, 3, 4. Eager to know. Thank you. So let's go to that tool, that which the tool which can provide great stock within no time. Okay, just a second. Let me open that great tool in front of you, which will provide you an understanding of any stocks within a minute, whether what is the situation of that stock, what is sales, what is its profits, what are its free cash flow. So उसमें से क्या क्या पता चल जाता है हमको कि कस्टमर उनके उसके प्रोडक्ट को लाइक कर रहे हैं कि नहीं, ठीक है, और हमें पता चल जाता है कि वो लाइक कर रहे हैं तो मैनेजमेंट इतनी एफिशिएंट है कि नहीं कि वो we'll discuss that, Kishore ji, no issue. Yeah, so friends, there is a website which we have created after lots of effort. It's valuestocks.in. बहुत मेहनत से हम लोगों ने वेबसाइट को क्रिएट किया है, और वी ऑल्सो हैव ऐप इन एंड्रॉयड एंड iOS, जिसके अंदर आप जिससे आप वैल्यू स्टॉक्स इस ऐप को डाउनलोड कर सकते हैं. यू कैन डाउनलोड दिस ऐप फ्रॉम वैल्यू स्टॉक्स. ओके, so from there you can identify great stocks. Now let us check that. So any stock, friends, from your end, can you send me any stocks that we can discuss? Voltas. So let us see Voltas. So what you need to do, friends, you can go to valuestocks.in website or app. ऐप का नाम भी वैल्यू स्टॉक्स ही है, एंड यू कैन कम टू दिस, सेलेक्ट विनिंग स्टॉक विथ QBS. Select winning stock with QBS. If you click here, no quality of your stocks, it's similar to the Google page kind of thing. So now which stock was that? It was Voltas. So let us check Voltas. So when you type Voltas over here, no quality score of Voltas. So let us click there. So it will straight away provide you, within no time, it will provide you quality of that of Voltas based on these 4 fundamental parameters. Okay. So what we have done, 5 years, 4 parameters. What is that multiplication, friend? 5 year. Kishore ji will take your answer. I will not answer if you write again and again. Okay, Kishore ji will take your answer. No issue. We'll be discussing that. Okay. Kishore ji, did you got? Yeah. Please don't write again and again. We will discuss that. Okay, friends. So Voltas. So friends, 5 years, 4 parameters. 5 into 4 is 20. So we have 20, and the latest quarter EPS, profit growth and sales growth. So more 2 points. So we got 22. So the maximum score for any stock can be 22. and less it can have till 0 or negative. So there's one logic for negative also. If company is doing losses, we are giving him not 0, we are giving it -1. So you can also have till -5, you can go to below. So this Voltas has quality score of 17, and we suggest this is a good company. It's a good company. Okay. So on fundamental parameters, Voltas is a good company. How it is a good company? Let us check. Can we read it in 15 or 30 seconds, 1 minute? So let us go ahead. So we saw the latest quarter. Latest quarter, the profit has EPS is nothing. It's a profit. So you can read EPS as a profit. So no issue. So you can see EPS. The company has grown in EPS by 47%. Sales growth was by 33%. Annual sales, these are quarterly numbers. Now annual sales, EPS, free cash flow, company strongly hold nahi kar pa rahi hai. The free cash flow was negative. That is why we have given it 0. As it was positive, we have given 1, 1, and then 2. Sales growth, annual sales growth was positive, we gave 1, and EPS growth was positive, we gave 1. But as free cash flow was negative, we gave it 0. Because return on equity was below 15, we gave it 0. Then again, sales growth was positive, we gave it 1. EPS growth was negative, we gave it 0. Then free cash flow was negative, we gave it 0. Then return on equity was below 15, we gave it 0. So company का fundamental was all good till 2017-18. ठीक है, 18-19 के results जैसे ही आए, company started struggling in return on equity. Okay, company started struggling in free cash flow. Yes, Ajay ji, it's a paid website. It's a paid website, and we recommend if you have at least 5 lakh of investment. So we also keep on adding when we do any promotion or ads. We also mention that if people are having at least 5 lakhs of investment with them, who all are investing in stock market, for them this webinar would be very helpful. जो लोग के पास भी 5 लाख रुपए इन्वेस्टमेंट्स हैं स्टॉक मार्केट में और जो लोग स्ट्रगल कर रहे हैं प्रॉफिट से, so can I have raise of hand or yes on chat those who have at least 5 lakhs of investments. 5 people raised hand and are struggling with profits कि अच्छे profits नहीं आ रहे. Okay, only 2 people, 9 people raised their hand. No, then Lokesh ji, maybe आपके लिए बहुत ये webinar उतना fruitful नहीं होगा because it's a paid website and people need to subscribe for understanding better of it. If you are planning to invest 5 lakh, then it can be a benefit to you. Okay. Anybody else? Only 5-6 people has or 10 people raised hand. So around 15-16 people in the group are having investment more than 5 lakh. So they will get benefit of this webinar. Otherwise, जो लोग के लिए नहीं है, they can learn, but it will not help them much in future. Because अगर आपके पास investment, because see, why do you study in stock market? Why do you study these? Why do you come to this webinar? To make make good profit. Okay, but अगर आपके पास investments ही नहीं है, तो making profit will be a little difficult. Okay, and using advice properly will be difficult. No issue, Rajesh Trivekar ji, you can have 3 lakh rupees, no issue, you can, but it's better if you have 5 lakh, then getting return would be more, because you need to pay us as a subscription and you have all the cost involved in stock market. Those are STT, CTT, brokerage and all. So at least these, we have found after doing many research, we have found that 5 lakh rupees will be a proper amount that one need to have for making good return in stock market. Okay, with that amount you can easily make 30% CAGR, 25 to 30% CAGR every year. 25 से 30% का रिटर्न every year आपको बन सकता है. 5 साल अगर आप हम लोग के संग रहते हैं तो So CAGR would be 25 to 30%. You are only invested in quality stocks, and that quality stocks are going to give you good return. Okay. Okay, friends. So let us start again. So Voltas is 17. Okay, out of 22. So let us check. So this is how. So what we have done. So this is not only one company. Okay, there are all these. There are 1,625 companies listed in NSE. We have given score to all the company. Okay, each and every company. So I would request Hamid Mohammed ji and few of you have written ki, you written your own company to me that you have asked me to check. So it would be a great help if you can open valuestocks.in, so we can look at this together. So this is my paid. So we have something free for you. What is that free? Like आप लोगों को बहुत सारे टिप्स मिलते होंगे to start understanding, to start believing on us. Okay, because it's very difficult to have faith on one day. एक दिन में faith create करना is very difficult. So what you can do, if you are researching any company, if you are doing any research on any particular company और उसके बारे में समझना है कि ये अच्छी कंपनी है या खराब कंपनी है, ये इन्वेस्टमेंट्स मेरे अच्छे जाएंगे या खराब जाएंगे, so वो जानकारी लेने के लिए you can come to valuestocks.in, and मैं एक बार इसको log out कर देता हूँ. So I will be in sync with you guys. So let us come to, there is one Pani Kancharaji. Okay, so she's asking for, so he or she is asking for Indiabull Housing Finance. So let us open. So friend Pani ji, आप भी अगर, if you can also with me, if you can open, you can also open Indiabulls and stock, select stock with winning QBS. Select winning stock with QBS. Sorry, select winning stock with QBS. If you click on this and type Indiabulls Housing, India. So what will it show? It will give you this stock is between 10 to 14 out of 22. That means it's a moderate company. It's not a great company to invest. We've already written it's a moderate company. So you will get the details of previous, the 2015, 16 and 2017, 18, but you will not get the detail of, if you're not subscribed to the app. Okay, if you're not subscribed to the app, you will not get for last 2.5 years, but you will get for earlier 3 years. And you will also get to know whether the company is good company or a poor company or winning stock or good stock. So what happened, these winning stock, if you have investment in these winning stock, the probability of making profit is very high. If you, that means you can make CAGR return of 30%, 25%. If you invest in good quality stocks, the probability of making profits is good. That means you can make CAGR return of 20 to 25%. If you are in moderate stock, then the return would be somewhere between 15% to 20%. And in falling market, so 15% you can take in moderate stock, and in poor stocks, there's a high chance you to make losses. Okay, कभी कभार जब बाजार बढ़ते हैं, then you can make some profits in it, but overall the poor stocks will give you negative return. So let me check who all have checked. So I tried but not getting current year info. Yeah, Bhavesh will not get current year info. For that you need to subscribe to us. Okay, but you will get small understanding. You will get small understanding on your stocks, on your stock holding. Okay, so friends, with this, so Polyplex, Mehul ji, you need to tell me. You need to tell me Polyplex. How? What is? First, you need to tell me. So if anybody wants me to show any of the stocks, Before that, you need to check and tell me what it is showing to you. Then we can discuss. Meanwhile, there was one query from Kishorji for Dabur. So let me check that. So friends, so let me clarify, Kishorji, on and everyone, that what we are doing, we are helping you to invest in quality stocks. We are 15 out of 7. So you got your answer, sir, Bhaveshji. That means 15 out of 7 means I think it was good company. So Polyplex is a good company. You can expect a return of 20 to 25% per year in this stock. So if you keep this stock for long run, you are going to get good return of 20 to 25%. So Aditya Naik ji, you need to say for Castrol India. Thank you, Bhavesh ji, for saying for Dabur. So let us see what is Dabur, what Dabur is showing. Let's check what Dabur is showing. So select winning stocks with QBS. So I will be opening the paid version of for Dabur. Okay. Sanjay ji, you can check JB Chemical of your own from valuestocks.in, and you can write on chat what is written for JB Chemical. So Dabur has for non-paid subscriber, okay, non-paid customers, it will show greater than 18 great stock, and right now it is 21. So friends, Kishore ji, it is for you. So what happened? Quality Business Score. If you invest in number of stocks in Quality Business Score, that means if you invest in at least 10-15 stock which has Quality Business Score more than 18, then you will make good return. Sometime what happened, these quality stocks also, sometime there are hardly 1 or 2. So for that also we have made one tool with which you can identify what is the whether the company may have quality, but it has not got recent momentum. Okay, so for that also can't log in. You you don't require to log in, sir. You can just check. No, not required to log in. Okay, so what happened? The quality is good, but the stock is not gaining momentum. So what we have done, if you go to, we also have a fundamental report for each stock. So let us open that fundamental report for Dabur. So friends, we have lots of things in this website for the investors who are true investors who want to make profit in stock market for them. So see friends, so we have something for quality. We have Quality Business Score. For momentum, we have Alpha Generator Score. Okay. So if you guys want to invest in quality and momentum, so what you need to see, quality plus momentum. So what will happen if you're investing in quality and so what is the point of investing in stock which has good quality but has no momentum? The point is you will not lose money, but yes, you will not make money for a longer period till this company doesn't start moving up. But it will start moving up after some time. Okay, because see, now there's a distribution is happening in stock market. You can see metals are moving up right now. So what happened? FMCG is, so people are not interested in anymore in FMCG right now. Earlier, when markets were very uncertain, there was lots of confusion in market. What was happening? The investors were investing in FMCG, they were investing in pharma, they were investing in IT. But now, when there is 4% scenario, 4% interest rate scenario in stock market, and you are getting some highly leveraged stock like Tata Steel and blah 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 metal companies, sale authority, PSU banks, so cheaper price. So people are going there. Okay, so it's just matter of time that these stocks are not doing well. Again, when market will be highly volatile and there will be some rise in interest rate and all, so what will happen? This FMCG will start going up again. So it's because of sector. So we don't want our investors to be investing in, to remain invested in those stocks which has good fundamental but does not have good momentum. So for that we have created AlphaGenter score. So we have created for 20 quarters and 3 quarters. In 3 quarters, the AlphaGenter score is 0. And for 20 quarters, AlphaGenter score is 10. That shows company is not getting any momentum in the market right now. So the quality is good. Keep a strong eye on this company. Whenever this AlphaGenter score of 3 quarters will become 2 out of 3, that is the time you need to enter Dabur. And even if you are holding Dabur, there is no crime in it. But if you are holding any stocks, like example, Alok Industry, then you have that Ruchi Soya and all. So if you're holding those, then you are doing a crime as an investor. Okay, friends. So if you're holding those kind of companies which has no fundamental value, which has no quality business, which have no, yeah, it will perform. It will, Kishorji, once it will get momentum. Okay. Did you got your answer, sir? So now, so friends, some of you, I found you guys, some of the people were highly intelligent. They are using stock screeners also. So let me show you some great way to identify quality and performing stock. Would you like to see? We have 81 people. If I get 10, 15 yes, then I'm going to show you. Otherwise, will not. 3 yeses, 4, 5, 10. Okay, got many yeses. Thank you. So let us see how we can identify those stocks which has good quality and good performance. Okay. So friends, what is our target as a great investors? See, मैं बार बार बता रहा हूं, अगर आप क्वालिटी के साथ हैं, ठीक है, क्वालिटी है, मोमेंटम नहीं है तो भी चलेगा. You will be at safety net. But हम लोग को होना कहाँ चाहिए? जहां क्वालिटी है प्लस मोमेंटम है, that is the best area you can make. ठीक है, जब वहां पे आपको सबसे हाईएस्ट रिटर्न बनेगा. So हम लोगों ने क्या आइडेंटिफाई किया? What is quality? The good companies are greater than equals to 15. ठीक है, the score should be greater than equals to 15. और हम लोग आ जाते हैं AlphaGenter score of 3 quarters. ठीक है, 3 quarters greater than equals to, so hit ratio would be 67%. Okay, so let us take 68 over here. So that means 2 out of 3, the fraction would be 67.5. So we want at least greater than 67.5. That means 2 times company has done well. So now we can apply filters. So we have used these 2 factors, and let us check what are those stocks. So we got some 13 stock. You can see what a kind of return they are creating, 215%. And these are the 13 stocks which has good quality and has good momentum. So friends, did you find? Okay, I have not explained AlphaGenter score. So friends, what we have done, every quarter we have compared the return of stock with index. So we have compared return. If index return is 5%, what is the return of stock? If stock is 6%, that means it has outperformed. Earlier the index was down by 5% in previous quarter, but the stock was down by only 4%, then it's positive. Index is up by 10%, but the stock has risen only 8%. That means negative. So it got 2 out of 3. So this is how, so 3 quarter is 9 months. Okay. So quarterly we check. Okay. So this is how you check momentum, and those 4 fundamental parameters is how you check quality. Okay. So friends, with this you get, that is the reason when it has not gone up by 750, you were getting that kind of call in Dixon. So if you would have this tool with you, you would have made Vishalji, you would have made those not 750 but you would have made 650 return, 650% return in that stock. Okay, Vishalji. So having these kind of tool with you is a kind of blessing, I would say. What do you we have 79 people right now. Do you think we have made some great effort in making this tool for you? Would you say that, would you accept that this would help investors if they have this strongest tool in their hand, or this greatest tool in their hand? So friends, if it will help you, if you understand, if it will help you, please join us. We have it's a greatest tool. Yes, I'm not promoting it, I have also experienced it being a part of this tool. So I would request you all, if you can join and book this free one-to-one training. Okay, so I will also send you link of this free one-to-one training, because as I said you in the start of the webinar, that it's very difficult for anyone to accept anything on the face on single day. So friends, what we are doing, we are providing you one more chance to understand us better, to create a trust with us, book your free one-to-one training with us. Okay, what will we do with this? When you book your free one-to-one training, so I have not shown you all the features of my app. Like this was one where you can know quality of your stocks and the one-pager report. Then we have stock screener. We have something known as a greatest tool, which is a very popular tool. Most of you must be getting on your WhatsApp every day, because many people circulate this tool to many people. So this is a barometer. This is a barometer of Nifty. So which say ki what is the position of Nifty right now, whether it will go up, whether it will go down. So this is one tool which we have. Then we have sector leader. So few of you have written about sector, that sector decide which stocks will do well. So you will get to know which are the top quality stocks in pharma on a click of a button. So we have AGS, we will have QBS, and the quality of the stock. So it is shorted. It's not, we are not shorting any stocks on the basis of its performance. We are shorting all the stocks on the basis of its quality. So friend, this is a great understanding. When this understanding came to us, that it was like not shorting from performance, I was also shocked. When we discussed this, the idea came from our boss. So we were like, we are not shorting from performance, we are shorting from quality. So that is what we need to do in a stock market. हम लोग को उसी डायरेक्शन में जाना है जहां क्वालिटी है. हम लोग कहां भाग रहे हैं? जहां प्राइस है. जहां प्राइस है वहां नहीं भागना है. वो तो चाहती है दुनिया. जो स्टॉक मार्केट में मैनिपुलेटर्स हैं, जो वो लोग तो यही चाहते हैं कि हम लोग प्राइस के पीछे भागें, हम लोग क्वालिटी के पीछे ना भागें. सो इसीलिए क्या हो रहा है कि हम लोग प्राइस के पीछे जाके we are getting stuck and we are losing money. But if those who have gone behind quality, जिन्होंने 5 साल पहले डाबर में इन्वेस्टमेंट किया था, जिन्होंने 5 साल पहले अबॉट में इन्वेस्ट किया था, जिन्होंने 5 साल पहले HDFC बैंक में इन्वेस्ट किया था, see their position and see our position where we are investing in kind of poor stocks and what is the performance right now. So friends, इसीलिए we need to invest in that stock which has quality, which is growing in sales, which is growing in profit, which has positive free cash flow, which have return equity greater than 15 and having momentum. Do you agree, friends? Yeah. So Vishal ji is asking the performance. I will show you the performance. So friends, हम लोगों ने तो ये sector leader है. Then we have something, no mutual funds के studies हैं. So in this one webinar, I cannot explain you all the things. Then we have some 24 strategies. We have some 24 strategies. ठीक है? on the basis of these parameters, factors, QBS, AGS, we have created these strategies. Like I will show you one multi-cap growth strategy. So anybody who want to invest in multi-cap growth, आपको, so we have recommended 18 stock, and in 5 year the index is giving 81% return and the strategy's performance is 189%. So this is how we have created all these strategies. Okay, these strategies for the customers. So what are the parameters that we have used? We have used a quality business score which is greater than 15, AGS greater than 50%, return equity greater than 15, debt equity greater than less than 0.30, free cash flow positive, quarter on quarter sales, that means quarterly sales growth greater than 10%, profit growth greater than 10%, then some things which we have, sales growth, GOG, EPS, GOG. So all these things we have added. So all these things we are comparing with that only, sir. Okay, so this is how we have created all these strategies. So friends, it's a must-have tool for everyone. So those who have not, so we are giving you one more chance, and we are also requesting you, if you can join this free one-to-one webinar where you can build trust with us, you can understand us better. So my friend, my colleague will help you. We are taking Nifty 500, sir, for multi-cap, for comparing multi-cap. Okay, so those who want to understand us better, okay, want to understand product better, what is the cost, what is everything, they can come to this one-to-one webinar and can understand our product further. Okay, my colleague who are expert in explaining product, they will help you with all the things. Now you may have personal queries, you may have some portfolios with you which is not doing well, you are struggling with the profits and all, so you can discuss which stock. So we also do portfolio analysis which is free of cost. So friends, anybody who is interested, please join us, it will help you a lot. Okay, we have 65 people right now, you can decide on this. Okay, now the last but it's very important query to everyone, did you like the session, friends? We have 64 people left right now. Did you like the session? Duration was duration was quarterly. It was a quarterly duration. Yeah, for 5 year 189%, and where index return was 81%. Thank you. Did we learn something, sir? Did we learn something? So friends, go behind, anybody in the group, we have 63 people left, go behind quality and do not go behind price. Okay, and 4 mantra: sales growth, profit growth, return on equity greater than 15, and positive free cash flow. Yeah. Thank you, Robin ji. So join us again through one-to-one webinar. This will help you a lot for your investments. You can join anytime, Prakash ji, as per your convenience. So I have given you link. Let me give this link again to you. So I have given this link. So you can choose your date and your time, your preferable time. Like if I select Wednesday, what is the preferable time? Or if I select Thursday, Friday, what is the preferable time that I can select? So you can choose this and can attend us. Yes, exactly, Vishal ji. The future will be good if you go behind quality. अगर हम लोग सिंपल रखें हर चीजों को तो फ्यूचर इज वेरी गुड, फ्रेंड्स. और मैंने एक बात कही थी, वो बात सडनली कही थी और मुझे बहुत खुद को भी बहुत अच्छी लगी. It's I said in my in one of my webinar that it's a race of 100 people. Okay, and out of 100 people, 20 will get 20 people will get prize. Vishal ji, please listen this very carefully. it's a race. Stock market is a race of 100 people, 100 people, and 20 will get prize. And do you know how many people had participated in that race? Only 20 people. That means everyone will get prize. All these 20 people will get prize. So friends, it's a very big arbitrage in stock market. लोग स्टॉक मार्केट समझ ही नहीं रहे हैं. इंडिया में पेनिट्रेशन ही नहीं है स्टॉक मार्केट में. सो इट्स वेरी इजी मनी इन स्टॉक मार्केट. अभी अगर इजी मनी है तो लूज क्यों कर रहे हैं पैसे? ये सवाल आते हैं. सर आपको रेस को फिनिश करना है, बट व्हाट वी आर डूइंग, जब मैं रेस में दौड़ रहा हूं वो 20 आदमी में भी 4 आदमी हेवाया हो जा रहे हैं. 16 people are still getting that prize. So friends, be invested in quality stocks. Do not invest in poor quality stocks. Do not run behind price. Run behind quality. Okay. Thank you friends. Thank you for joining. Please join one-to-one webinar. This will help you further. Thank you. Thank you. Thank you, sir. Okay, charges, we are charging very minimal to everyone for our customer, for our services. Let me open our charges just a second. So if you click on pricing and subscription, even you can check. Let me show you. So we are charging 5,000. Minimal cost is you can become our customer in 5,000. Then we are charging, we have something which is in packages. So we are charging 9900. But some are like fund managers or AMC broker or sub brokers who want to help their clients also, who want to understand everything about the app. Okay, who want all the features of the app open for them, strategies open for them. We have 24 strategy in equity. We have 7 strategies in mutual fund. We have 3 derivative strategies. So we do not open all those. We open that features of sector leader and all. So if you want everything to be opened, we are charging 1,25,000. With God grace, we are having 10-15 customer for 1,25,000 rupees, because they want everything to be open. They want to understand each and every strategies and all. So we do not stop here. Huh? What we do, we go beyond this. What we do when you become our customer, we have one session every week for our paid customer, where we understand if they are facing any kind of problem with the strategies or with the market. So it's one-to-one discussion of market always happening with the customer. So you are always updated. You are always you're always getting something new to understand. Okay, even any understanding which we get, we pass it to you. And in fact, when customer gets some understanding, they also pass it to us on that forum. Okay, this is one of the added features we have. No, Vishalji, it should go hand in hand. There should be a balance between momentum and value investing. So if you are doing momentum, then it's a problem. If you are doing value, and moreover, if you understand those value investing and momentum, let me also add, in fact, one should be growth investing and quality is also very powerful. Value investing works well out of 5 years, it works for 1 year, but growth and quality stays forever, and growth word works at least for 3 years, 3.5 years. Okay, and momentum is again whenever it's loose, then it's very volatile. So those are things happening. So you will get to understand lots of things. We will be discussing lots of things in paid webinar and in one-to-one session. So friends, please join one-to-one session. Yeah, the subscription is valid for 12 months. There are subscription for quarterly and annual. So please, Prakashji, because I'm not from that sales department, because I don't know, but there are lots of packages running on for the customers. I'm here to tell you about the thing. So you please join this one-to-one. you will get your all the answers. Okay, Prakash ji, please join that one-to-one session. It will help you a lot. Okay, friends, thank you very much. Thank you for joining. Bye bye.